Make a great choice today with the 2016 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.